Hi friends, now I am trying to push my code into the repository from my local Git, but I am facing an error because it's unable to access. Recently, I have changed my password, means I forgot the password and it is set into my global. This I am using code commit, so I am using a command git config minus minus global and minus minus list. So it seems to be a spelling mistake. Just I will copy from the. Okay, if I see, I can see what is the password which is previously set, and what is the username and what is my token. So these are the things which has been set in my no previous thing. Right now I am going to change it. I am going to replace it. I forgot this password. I am going to code commit service, and I am going to AWS IAM on my users. I am going inside, then I am going for the security credentials. Here I delete this credential because I forgot this one. I cannot take the new password. It asks for the confirmation. Do you want to delete? So I am deleting it. Then I am generating a new credential. It shows only for one time, and if you like to have, you should download it. I'm going to set this password. What I am going to do is I am not I can either do by a command, or either I can set it by editing the configuration file. So global edit. So now I am going to change this one with an insert mode escape I, and I'm going to change the. I'm going to copy from here. I'm changing, and I have to also copy the password. Sorry, you should be in the escape mode. Control I. If you change the mode of editor, this is just a VI editor. Just you need to make sure where your cursor is. I should make sure I have copied it correctly. Then I'm pasting it. I'm saving the file. Now I try to do git reset. This will reset my git. Then git push. It returns the error again. I am facing the error, but let us try to fix it. That is the ideal for this troubleshooting. I am giving git config. So here we can see what are the parameters has been set, and this is my repository. This is my heads, and we can see what are the username it has been set. If you see here, the username and the password as set here, but you can see there was two different entries are there. It is not properly set. So I will try to quit here, and then we will go to git config edit, and then if you see here, you can see the email is different. Just I will try to put the same. Paste. Now I want to remove this. I will just remove the other parts except my username. Okay, this is not required, just I'm saving it. Control no escape colon wq is saving. Git reset because we have set the new password. Now I will try to give git push. Still we are facing this issue. Let us solve it. Now I could think about the password might be set. We can unset the password. Copy. Okay. We are going to unset the password. So okay. Now we will try to do git push again. Still it seems to be an issue. What I will do, we will again unset the user as well. So we have unset the user. Now I will try to add the user with this command. So we will copy the new user from the IAM. Okay, now we will try to git reset, git push. Still we are facing the fatal error. Let's see. Since we are using AWS code commit, I have another command which we can try to set. So which is global credential user path HTTP set true. Then we will try to do the git push. Now we are getting the username and password window. So I already copied my username and password in the Excel. In case this is very safe. Now I'm going to provide where is login screen. Yeah, I found it. So this is how I am troubleshooting the Git issue due to the login credentials. I hope this commands will help you. Now I logged into the Git. So thanks for watching. I will provide all these commands in the description. Thank you so much. Bye.